हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, फ्लूइड मशीनरी हाइड्रोलिक मशीन में आपका स्वागत है। एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन नंबर 131 है कि बर्नौली इक्वेशन इज अप्लाइड टू। आपको बताना है कि बर्नौली इक्वेशन इज अप्लाइड टू वेंचुरीमीटर, ऑरिफिस मीटर, पिटोट ट्यूब या ऑल ऑफ दीज। व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर इज 131 का राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा दोस्तों? दैट इज योर 131 का डी, दैट इज आपका ऑल ऑफ दीज, यानी वेंचुरीमीटर, ऑरिफिस मीटर, पिटोट ट्यूब is the right answer. Next question. Barometer is used to measure velocity of liquid, atmospheric pressure, pressure in pipes and channels, difference of pressure between 2 points in a pipe. What is the right answer is 132 का, that is your 132 का B. This is the atmospheric pressure. बैरोमीटर का हम लोग यूज करते हैं मेजर करने के लिए एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Venturimeter is used to measure the velocity of flowing liquid, measure the pressure of flowing liquid, measure the discharge of liquid flowing in a pipe, measure the pressure difference of liquid flowing between the 2 points in a pipeline. Venturimeter is used to, क्या होगा राइट आंसर? Venturimeter is used to measure the velocity of a flowing liquid, measure the pressure of flowing liquid, measure discharge of liquid flowing in a pipe, measure the pressure difference of liquid flowing between 2 points in a pipeline. What is the right answer is 133 का C, that is measure. वेंचुरीमीटर में यूज करेंगे 133 का C, that is वेंचुरीमीटर का हम लोग यूज करेंगे मेजर करना. measure the discharge of liquid flowing in a pipe, measure the discharge of liquid flowing in a pipe. Question 134. 134 कह रहा है the length of divergent cone in a venturimeter is dash that of the convergent cone. Question 134 कह रहा है कि the length of the divergent cone in a venturimeter is dash that the convergent cone. इस क्या होगा राइट आंसर? इक्वल टू डबल 3 to 4 टाइम्स या 5 to 6 टाइम्स. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर इज 134 का C, that is 3 to 4 times. The length of the divergent cone in a venturimeter is 3 to 4 times that of the convergent cone. Question 135. In a venturimeter, the velocity of liquid at throat is dash than at inlet. Question 135 है. In a venturimeter, the velocity of liquid at the throat is dash than at inlet, higher या lower. 135 का A, that is your equal to. The length of the divergent cone in a venturimeter is equal to that of the convergent cone. 134 का C, that is 3 to 4 times. The length of divergent cone in a venturimeter is 3 to 4 times of the convergent cone. 135. In a venturimeter, the velocity of liquid at the throat is dash than at inlet. 135 कह रहा है कि in a venturimeter में जो velocity of liquid है at the throat is dash than at inlet, higher होगा या lower होगा. 135 का A, that is higher. In a venturimeter, the velocity of a liquid at throat is higher than at inlet. Question 136 क्या है? Question 136 कह रहा है कि the pressure of the liquid at throat in a venturimeter is dash than that at inlet. 136 question है. The pressure of liquid at throat in a venturimeter is dash than that at inlet, higher or lower. What is the right answer is 136 का B, that is higher. 133 that is lower. Pressure of a liquid at the throat in a venturimeter is lower than at inlet. 137 question दोस्तों क्या है? The velocity of the liquid flowing through the divergent portion of a venturimeter. The velocity of the liquid flowing through a divergent portion of venturimeter remains constant, increases, decreases, depends upon the mass of the liquid. 137 का क्या रहा राइट आंसर? 137 का C, that is, it decreases. The velocity of the liquid flowing through the divergent portion of the venturimeter is decreases. So 138, in order to avoid tendency of separation at the throat in venturimeter, the ratio of the diameter at the throat to the diameter of the pipe should be a. 138, in order to avoid tendency of separation at the throat in a venturimeter, the ratio of the diameter at the throat to the diameter of the pipe should be 1 by 60 to 1 by 8, 1 by 8 to 1 by 4, 1 by 4 to 1 by 3, 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. What the right answer is? 138 का D, that is 1 by 3 to 1 by 2 is the right answer. 139, the pressure of the liquid flowing through the divergent portion of a venturimeter. आपको बताना है कि the pressure of the liquid flowing through the divergent portion of a venturimeter remains constant, increases, decreases, depends upon the mass of the liquid. What is the right answer? Is 139 का C, that is, it decreases. The pressure of the liquid flowing through the divergent portion of the venturimeter decreases. Next question 140. The divergent portion of a venturimeter is made longer than convergent portion in order to क्या होगा? Avoid the tendency of breaking away the stream of a liquid to minimize the frictional losses. Both A and B and none of these. What is the right answer? Is 140. क्या होगा right answer? 140 का C. That is both A and B. In the divergent portion of a venturimeter is made longer than convergent portion in order to avoid the tendency of breaking away the stream of liquid to minimize the friction losses. दोनों होंगे. Question 141 कह रहा है कि the discharge through a venturimeter is given by. The discharge through venturimeter is given by. The discharge through a venturimeter is given by. What is the right answer? CD हमारा कोफिशिएंट डिस्चार्ज होता है, A1 हमारा एरिया ऑफ इनलेट होता है, A2 हमारा एरिया ऑफ थ्रोट होता है, H हमारा वेंचुरी हेड होता है. CD स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ A1 का स्क्वायर माइनस A2 स्क्वायर अपॉन A1 A2 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2GH. CD A1 A2 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ A1 स्क्वायर रूट A2 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2GH. CD ब्रैकेट में A1 प्लस A2 अपॉन A1 प्लस A2 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2GH या CD स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ A1 into A2 अपॉन A1 प्लस A2 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2GH. व्हाट इज राइट आंसर? इज 141 का B. That is CD A1 A2 upon square root of A1 square minus A2 square of 2GH. Question 142 क्या कह रहा है? Question 142 कह रहा है कि in order to measure the flow with venturimeter, it is installed in. In order to measure the flow with a venturimeter, it is installed in horizontal line, inclined line with the flow upward, inclined line with flow downward, and any direction in any location. What is the right answer? Is 142 का right answer क्या हो जाएगा? 142 का right answer is D. That is any direction in any location. In order to measure the flow with the venturimeter, it is installed in any direction and in any location. Question number 143. A pivot tube is used to measure the velocity of flow at the required point in a pipe, pressure difference between the 2 points in a pipe, total pressure of liquid flowing in a pipe, and discharge through a pipe. What is the right answer? Is 143 का A. That is your velocity of flow at the required point in a pipe. A pivot tube का हम यूज करते हैं मेजर करने के लिए velocity of flow at the required point in a pipe. Question 144. When the venturimeter is inclined, अगर inclined में है, then the given flow it will be show. कैसे रीडिंग करेगा? Same reading, more या less. Venturimeter is inclined condition में. That is 144. The right answer is A. Same. When the venturimeter is inclined, then for a given flow it will be show same reading. That it will be show same reading. Question 145. 145 कह रहा है if a pure tube is placed with its nose upstream, downstream या sideways, the reading will be the same in every case, true या false. 145 का what is the right answer is 145 का right answer जाएगा 145 का B, that is false. 146 coefficient of contraction is the ratio of actual velocity of jet at when a contact to the theoretical velocity, loss of head in the orifice to the head of water available at the exit of the orifice, actual discharge through an orifice to the theoretical discharge, and area of the jet at vena contra to the area of orifice. What is the right answer is 146 ka D. That is your coefficient of contraction is the ratio of area of jet at vena contra contact to the area of the orifice. 147 coefficient of resistance is the ratio of actual velocity of the jet at the vena contractor to the theoretical velocity, area of the jet at vena contractor to the area of orifice, loss of head in the orifice to the head of water available at the exit of the orifice, and actual discharge through an orifice to the theoretical discharge. 147 C. That is your loss of head loss of head in the orifice to the head of water available at the exit of the orifice. क्वेश्चन नंबर 148 कह रहा है कि एक a jet of water discharging from a 40 mm diameter orifice has diameter of 32 mm. Its vena contracta. The coefficient of contraction is कितना होगा 0.46, 0.64, 0.78 and 0.87. Right answer is 148 का B. That is your 0.64 is the vena contracta. Question number 149 कह रहा है the coefficient of discharge is the ratio of theoretical discharge to the actual discharge through an orifice. True या false? 149 का B, that is false. Question number 150 कह रहा है the coefficient of velocity is defined as the ratio of actual velocity of the jet at vena contracta to the theoretical velocity, area of jet at vena contracta to the area of orifice, actual discharge to an orifice to the theoretical discharge, and none of the above.